As an insurance agent, you are taught to serve, accommodate, and solve every client's problem. Saying yes comes naturally. It builds trust and keeps business moving. But did you know that always agreeing can hurt both you and your clients? Sometimes the most professional and ethical response is a respectful and thoughtful no. Why is that, you may ask? Let's discuss why you may need to say no as an insurance agent. Being an agent is about guidance, not appeasement. If we always say yes, whether it's unrealistic expectations or unsuitable policy options, we risk overpromising on things we can't deliver. The result of being too agreeable? Burnout, reduced quality of service, and ultimately clients who feel underserved. Saying no in this instance protects your time, your integrity, and your ability to serve your clients the right way. Contrary to what some people may think, a thoughtful no can increase credibility. For example, if a client asks you to recommend coverage that isn't in their best interest just to save money, saying yes may damage trust later when coverage gaps appear. But saying no, paired with a clear explanation, demonstrates integrity and competence. It shows that you're committed to protecting your client, not just making a sale. Plus, it shows that you just might know what you're talking about. There are certain situations where saying no is essential. Picture this. One of your clients has an unrealistic expectation. They want a form of coverage that doesn't exist, or they demand an instant solution. What's a seasoned pro like yourself supposed to do? Saying no seems like the obvious choice, but there are a few things to keep in mind here. Kindly explain that what they're looking for may not be available, and find an alternate solution to their issue. That's why you became an agent in the first place, right? It's important to understand that agents don't have to live at the mercy of a yes or no. When you master the balance of boundaries and standing firm in the face of adversity, you ensure that every yes you give carries real weight and value, not just an answer to a question. The customer may always be right, but should you bend to their will if you know it may damage your reputation? Just something to think about.